I make few videos with Builderius BUilder, and some people ask me how you create this, how you create that, and these are basic things. So what I realized that many people don't know how to create these things, and for me, what I don't like, I see, for example, on Facebook or whatever, people ask these questions, and there is always some people who think that they know everything, and I really don't like this. So no one is born that he knows everything. We always learn. It's not important if you are even great developer, but even these great developers, they need to learn every day, because always something comes new and you need to read about it, you need to try it, you need to... So even these basic things you need to learn. So Builderius BUilder, it's very powerful, robust page builder, and you can create with it whatever you want to. And more, it have this artificial intelligence that you can use, Claude AI or whatever you want to use. So let's go just to okay, and we have Sensei AI. And here we have some things. It doesn't important what is this. We will speak about how you can create, for example, animations, or how you can create some things. And you really don't need to have some extreme knowledge, because first, what you can do, you can make a screenshot and simply take Claude AI, put the screenshot inside and say create it, and he will create. So I will not show this because I think that you know how to create a screenshot, drag and drop screenshot here and say create it, and he will create it. So I will not show this because this is really not complicated. Let's go to see one website. Okay, let's go to... Okay, we are now on the website, and you can see this animation, and let's go to check a little bit. So you can see behind as well some animation, and you can see I create this. So this is create all without using the I know HTML, CSS or whatever. I use normal language without, like I don't know anything. So as you can see here, I even create triangle, and this is the cube. You can see it has some animation when you hover, and we can go, and you can see here I didn't want that everything look like this, so I decided to create that it have a little bit just to look. And we can go to see other pages. You can see that this is not, if we look, if this is correct, it's not, because but sometimes you don't need to follow how your page need to look like. It need to look like how you like it and how your client like it. And you can see under this 4, okay, we have animation. You can see this animation. It's so let's go to see more, and here you can see one ball. It's jumping animation, and we can see a little bit more here, one more animation, and here I put, you can see under these 4 cards I put image that I have, and you can see. So let's go to check more. You can see even this animation, and here let's go to check, and you can see this animation as well. It's created. So everything without knowledge. I didn't write anything. I just told him that he created, and I will tell you in which way he create all of this. You can see here that he repeats typing. So let's go back to this page, okay? And for example, if you want cut the part of this, you can go to the website. So here you can use ClipPad, and here there is examples what you can use. So let's go back to our website. We can see how it looks and we can use, for example, something like this, and what we will do, something like this is too much. Okay, great. And we will use that this look like this, and I don't want sharp edges. Okay, this is important because here you can see that they are sharp. Okay, so I don't want this. And let's go back. So we can simply use, you can write here or here, but if you work here, don't forget that you go exactly where your website is, that he can work directly, or you can work here however you want to. I will work from here, that it's more easier to follow. So let's go and click, and so we have here YouTube card. Okay, and what I will do, I will just write this. Okay, and I will tell him I want that my card have different shape. Okay, I forgot something here. And I don't and what I will do now, I will go to ClipPad and I will simply copy this. Okay, you can simply copy, and we will go back, and I will say I want that have something like this. I forgot to write the name because he need to know where he will work. Okay, so I want that my card and name of the card, and that's it. I will not write anything more, and let's go to see what he will create. It's explained the worst possible, and let's try to see what he will create. Okay, you can see that he created. Okay, he is not finished. Okay, let's go to see, and you can see that we have here, and what I don't like, he create sharp edges. Okay, we can see that these sharp edges, and I don't want sharp edges. Okay, so let's go to tell him. Have sharp And let's go to see what he will create. And I can turn back that we see what he creating. Okay, and let's go to see. We don't have any more sharp edges. So now this don't look nice. I want that he create the same here. So let's go to push. So this is this card here. We can copy the text. And let's go to try to tell him. So I tell him that I want that you create the same on this card here, but mirror it so that they look the same. Let's go to see if he will understand it. Okay. Okay, let's go to check what he created. And you can see that they are equal. So it's not something difficult. And here you can create whatever you want to. And you can simply tell him, I don't want sharp edges. And you can create the card that look however you want to. So it's really simple. You just copy this down. I will put this link in the description that you can know. So this is how you can work with your cards and how they will look like. So under, let's go to see. So let's say that we want to put some animation here. And how you can create animation? You don't know anything about animation. You don't know. So let's go to find something. I don't know. Let's see here that we find some animation. Okay. This is the buttons. Okay, this here, it's nice. Let's go to open it. And we have here some really nice animation. Let's go back here. So let's say where we will put this animation. Let's go to say somewhere here. Okay, we will copy. So you can see, let's go to put this a little bit more down. So I want animation in the middle of this series grid. So I will copy the name. Okay. And let's go to tell him I want So I want that you put some animation under the content in series grid. So this is series grid. I have a code. Can you do it? Let's go to ask it. sure, he can do it. So what I will do, let's go to here. Let's go to format. Okay. So let's go first to copy HTML. So I will put number 1, HTML, paste it. Then I will put number 2, CSS, and I will copy all the CSS. Okay, let's go to copy and let's go to paste it, and let's go back to our page, and I will push enter. So let's see what he will create it. Okay, he created. Now, because we don't see all this, so what I will tell him, I want that, let's go to, I will copy this. Okay, and I will tell him I want that so I will tell him I want that all cards here in series grid are 60% transparent. All cards background. Okay, let's go to see if he will understand. So we don't use any language, okay, that we say look in HTML, CSS, I'm using spec tools, nothing. I just use normal words, so we don't know anything. Okay, transparent is normal word, so everyone can understand it. So I want that every card here is transparent. So let's see what he will create it. Okay, he create so more transparent, but now this is too much. So what I will tell him, now I will tell him I want that our animation is 50% transparent. Let's go to see if he will understand it. Okay, now we have our transparency, but it's too much, so he said that he add opacity 0.5. Let's tell him I want 0.3. Okay, we can see now. And you can see that he create opacity. We can tell him that I want 0.2. Okay, so we create it. So let's go. We create this. We create animation. Animation is not important how it look like. It's important that you know that you are able to put animation inside. So let's go to tell him save all live. I will not even save anything. I just speak with AI and he will save everything. Okay, he said that he published everything live. Let's go to check. And we can see that we have these animations, border animation, and we have our animation here. Let's go to check. So you can see that, and you create this in few minutes. So now you can imagine what you can create with screenshot. So you simply create a screenshot, give him, and he will create it. The second thing, you can use ClipPad and you can create that your cards look however you want to, or you can create animations, whatever animation you want, and you can simply tell him where you want this animation. You want the front, behind, there, up, down, whatever. You can tell him, okay, I want transparency, I want. So you can use literally language that you use every day. You don't need to say, okay, I go to inspect tools in the HTML here, this CSS, nothing. I just use, as you could see with your own eyes, I speak with him normally, and you can create like this whatever you want. This is the most basic way how you're able to create something. And like this, you can create hover animations. You can simply tell him, okay, I want that all the cards inside services grid have this or that. I want that you change the color. Then you can say, okay, I have animation. I want that you put animation here. I want you to use ClipPad. You have here ClipPad, and I want that my card look like this or that. And in this way, you can shape your page that it look more nicer. So we can see that, okay, that look really nice. I don't say that this animation need to go here, no, but important is that you see that you are able to put some animation and that it's transparent, that you barely see it, but it's there, and your website will look more nicer. So with just three things, okay, so screenshot, ClipPad, and free HTML CSS animations, you can make your site more nicer and that look more professional, if you want to say like this, and create all of this without any kind of knowledge that you explain to him HTML, CSS. You can even use JavaScript in animation. You will simply tell him, okay, I have animation. Here is the HTML, here is the CSS, here is the JavaScript. and he will create animation in the same way how he create this animation. So you don't need to be worried if you find some good animation and you want. And the best thing is you can change this. You can say, okay, my animation, it said loading, I don't want loading, I want something else, and he will recreate. Okay, this is short video for these people because I create these videos, and maybe I even want to explain this even for Builderius team, that there is so many people who want to learn from zero, from scratch, and this is very important as well, but they do a lot. So what I will tell you, follow them on Facebook, and there you can ask whatever you want to. Team, it's great. No one will tell you anything. You don't know anything, why you are here, by Elementor or whatever. No, you will get help. They will help you, and they have a lots of tutorials on the internet. You can watch them and learn, because this what I show you, I didn't show you this that you work in this way. I just show you the shortcut, but the main thing is that you start to learn a little bit HTML, CSS, that you can help to Claude AI, that he can work faster, and then later when you are comfortable with HTML, CSS, you can start even look a little bit JavaScript, not just for animation and other things, and like this your knowledge will grow, and you will be able to use Builderius Builder in a right way, and you will be able to create whatever you want, because like I said before, Builderius Builder is extremely powerful and robust page builder. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and soon I will create this video that how I will create all the website with pages, with blog post, blah blah blah. But I just want to show this because I receive a lots of questions how they can do this, but they don't know how, and they don't have this knowledge to create this in, I will not say in the right way, but so this is the way how you can create like a shortcut, but in the same way it will be good that you look what you created, that you read how he created, so in this way you can learn HTML, CSS, and how Builderius Builder working. And this is the best way for you and for your web design progress. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and see you soon. This for ClipPad and for free HTML, CSS animation, I don't need to give you any link. You have Google, simply write free HTML, CSS, or even JavaScript animations, and you see how I did it. You just need to copy, paste it, explain to him, this is HTML, this is CSS, this is JavaScript, please create this animation, and you will explain to him where you want this animation, and he will create it. Okay, see you in the next video. Cheers.